morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am pumped today. We have some big things coming. I know what they are. You know what they are by now. If you aren't subscribed to me on Instagram, please head over to Instagram. Please subscribe. It's sendit_Steve. Yes, you may put your chapstick on. We are about to take Momo to daycare so that we can get our day started. It's okay. So we have a bunch of things we got to do today. So let's get the day started by dropping Momo off at school and maybe have a little fun in the car on the way back. So let's get you guys a cold start. I know you guys love cold starts, and it's been a while since I could get you one. But how could anyone not like the sound of that in the morning? Mo, do you like the sound of that? Yeah? You love that? Let's get your bottom buckle here. I see you put a lot of chapstick on. Yeah, you did. Alright, Mo, you ready for school? Yeah. Alright, guys, we're going to go drop Momo off for daycare. We got a lot to do today. This already beautiful bald eagle sound. Oh yeah. I am not going to tell you guys what this is for, but I will tell you it is not for the C5, but we have an intercooler for another project. That's right, guys, the parts are flying in for the projects we have coming. Guys, as we all know, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely use my C5 as a pickup truck daily. I keep tools in it, everything like that, so we got to go get this tire swapped over for the Grand Prix, so let's jump in and go. Alrighty then. Ugh. We got our tire. Oh. Got her all bounced up here, and it is starting to rain, but we're all but done. Oh. Alrighty, well, since it's raining here and I don't really feel like being underneath that car and working in mud, we're gonna go check in on Grandpa and give him a hand, and we're gonna go have some fun. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna have to call my inspection guy because these wipers ain't working. Huh. I better make an appointment with the garage, see if they can tell me why my wipers ain't working. I told everybody I don't speed. The car only does 55. You didn't wreck. I don't know if I got it good on film or not with the phone. That was I think sketchy. I did ask the stream. You guys just gotta go on and give Mike some credit. I'm sure you guys are here from his channel, but he's under here just hammering away at this exhaust.
Oh yeah, we're making a lot of progress too. It's almost fucking on.
He's there. He's there. I think you're doing a bang-up job.
That's fun.
There you have it. The courses are on.
You know where the keys are over here.
Oh yeah. That definitely made a difference. Yeah. Definitely. Now you're gonna. Oh, let's not get too crazy. It does sound good. I'll start it right now. We can do an idle video. It does sound good. Oh yeah. Yeah. That is. Actually a pretty cool comparison there. You can see the difference, how much longer that one is, the stock one versus the Carlisle. Yeah. I'm okay with it. It's definitely good quality too. What do you think?
At least one more inch of, it's definitely like 1 inch shorter, which is really all you need because it wasn't that far off to begin with. It didn't look like it, but.
Definitely. Well, we're gonna keep going. We got a lot to do. Mike, I'm proud of you.
Thanks, buddy.
Mike's really tripping away at it.
I'm gonna do this side by myself.
I'm gonna put this side back together here, the driver's side, and I'm gonna record some Mike putting this side back together.
Okay. Do you need another tripod?
No.
All right.
Have at it. I gave you the basic tools and knowledge.
You told me how to do it, so do this side totally on my own. I feel like I'll be successful.
I think you can do it.
Although I don't know your little screwdriver trick over here for the caliper.
We'll teach you that in a minute. Get the rest of it off and then we'll worry about that.
Break it loose with this first.
Because you can pretty much unbolt a lot of shit before you get to that, or it can get to that point.
Well, I can just do it the way I did the bottom one too, right?
Yeah, I would do it the way I did it, but you can do it whatever's easier for you. After all, you're the one doing it. What's right for me isn't right for you.
But I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh man, I am not gonna release what it looks like, but how are you feeling?
I'm feeling real good. You can really, I mean, our videos will go up at the same time, so you're good to go, bud. I'm feeling real good.
I'm pumped.
This thing looks nice. Where's our other one?
I think it's under there. Oh, back here. Right under something. Oh shit! Yours?
That's mine. It's mine.
I thought mine died again. I'm the only one who has a GoPro 15 times.
Alright, last piece of the puzzle.
Make sure
Done.
these two rags get thrown away. You don't try to use them on anything.
Okay. Here, throw them in the trash box here.
Yeah, that's what before you run this over, I want to spray it with briefly. Slide towards the back of the car.
Can you go up and
Slide it towards the back of the car.
What?
Pull it towards the back of the car.
It's jammed up. There you go.
Tony, you're in the shot. Now back into it.
Just waiting for the front skinnies now. And Steve, I can't thank you enough.
I mean, you did a lot of the work.
I tried to do as much as I could, but
Yeah.
you walked me through it. I appreciate it, dude.
I'm pretty proud of you.
It was a lot of fun.
Yes, definitely. I wish there would have been more like butt touching and things like that, but we were pretty focused.
Yeah,
so.
we were actually getting a lot of work done, so it's tough to worry
Definitely.
about that kind of stuff, you know.
Actually, if you think about it, it really only took us like 3 hours to do everything.
Yeah, I mean, multiple runs to Pep Boys.
Yes.
Slow us down.
Definitely.
But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments of Grandpa's new look. That is nuts.
Guys, well, with that being said, you know, I got to give Mike credit. He definitely jumped in there. He definitely, you know, I told him, you know, what bolts to take out next, what to do. And when it got over to the passenger side of the car, he just had everything torn apart and ready for me when we started putting everything back together. So, you know, I got to give Mike credit there. I hope you guys go over and show him some love. You know, he actually did pretty much all of it, you know, himself. I was just there to kind of for guidance and, you know, help everything go back together and make sure everything was good. But we definitely got the brakes bled out there. I mean, I'm excited. That car looks freaking nasty now, and I'm excited to be part of the build, and can't wait to continue going on from here. So, if you guys like the content, go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Guys, I just double checked, and we are over 15,000 subscribers. Guys, that is freaking awesome. You know, you guys are amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys' support, each and every one of you guys who reach out on me, and I try to respond to everybody. I think I do a very, very good job. There's not too many people that I cannot get back to unless I am busy or doing something throughout the day. And you know, if I don't respond to you, it's not anything personal. It's just I get a lot of messages and things like that. Plus, as you can tell, you know, by my day today, I got the Grand Prix finally up and running, and then I went over there and helped Mike do his 15-inch brake conversion. So, guys, you guys are amazing. You guys are the reason I do this, and I enjoy it. And, you know, I look forward to many, many more years of doing it. Hopefully, you know, provided everything keeps going. Even if I, you know, don't make any money at it, I might still do a video here and there. But, guys, you guys are simply amazing, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you guys for your support.